Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about IOTeX price prediction and IOTeX news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for IOTeX in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, IOTeX has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, IOTeX has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the IOTeX blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of IOTeX are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about IOTeX. So let's talk. First news about MIMO launches unique governance token for staking and fair distribution. MIMO has launched Pico, a first-of-its-kind governance token for fair asset distribution, greater decentralization, liquidity, enhanced staking, and farming rewards distribution. The IOTeX-powered peer-to-peer, multi-chain, decentralized exchange also enabled users to earn trading fees. The goal of the initial distribution of Pico is to encourage fair distribution and participation across DeFi participants, while ensuring deep liquidity for protocols tokens and classic LP liquidity pairs, said MIMO co-founder Dexter Lee. MIMO's governance token and DAO aim to incentivize long-term investor commitment and liquidity pool stability. Furthermore, Lee added that it also responds to the exponential IOTeX ecosystem growth in 2021 that increased from a couple of dozen projects to over 150. He explained that decentralized exchanges play a crucial role in securing the deep liquidity of tokens across chains. The yield incentive provided on DEXs successfully attracts LPs to deposit their assets in return for significant APR returns. With typical tokenomics proposed by many DEXs on the chains, the utility of LP tokens is limited and often leads to mercenary liquidity pools. LP, with MIMO's Pico token, will increase liquidity depth while lowering slippage for traders. Many current liquidity providers are incentivized with high returns in a short period. Pang said that because Matchanefi dApps will have greater utilization, a model is needed for the new machine economy participants. This will foster a thriving machine economy where dApps on IOTeX receive stability, and investors are incentivized to see the dApps flourish. They believe in the long-term success of such projects, while still receiving benefits and rewards. The article compares Starcrazy with the Shia, saying that it's part of the Ethereum ecosystem, which means fees are so high they take a bite out of players' game profits. In contrast, Starcrazy is part of the IOTeX ecosystem, one of the most exciting blockchain networks today, the article says. Not only does the IOTeX platform support scores of amazing projects, but the network has significantly lower rates than networks like Ethereum. It also says that IOTeX provides an opportunity for players to engage in P2E and NFT games with fraction of a penny transaction fees. And unlike Ashia tokens, Starcrazy assets are easy to deposit, convert or withdraw thanks to IOTeX. 100% player-owned metaverse Starcrazy players also earn a percentage of every in-game transaction, and as previously mentioned, GFS is 100% player-earned and owned, making this game extremely fair and profitable to all. If that were not enough, Starcrazy's deflationary tokenomics means players' collections increase in value with time. It's almost unheard of for a game to give this many rewards and benefits exclusively to its players, so it's understandable why Starcrazy is making a big name for itself, the article says. It concludes that with all the new features coming to the Starcrazy universe, and the huge daily rise in the number of players, this up-and-coming game proves to be a better alternative to Ashia Infinity in the P2E and Gamefi world. All in all, the future is starbright for this P2E gem. IOTeX is really charting a new course with all new take on play to earn space. Starcrazy says let the players rule. And rule they shall. Starkware's valuation skyrocketed to $2 billion, following a funding round where it received $50 million from a group of investors. This latest funding round will triple its valuation, making it one of the most valuable blockchain companies in the world. Starkware has been able to amass a portfolio of stakeholders that includes Intel Capital, Coinbase, Mobileye CEO Amnon Shasha, and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. This is in addition to top VCs like Three Arrows, Alameda Research, Paradigm, and Sequoia Capital. If the latest funding round is successful, Starkware will join a shortlist of Israeli blockchain companies valued above $5 billion. Fireblocks, an Israeli company that provides infrastructure for blockchain platforms, raised $550 million earlier in the year, placing its valuation at $8 billion. Starkwares has not indicated which VCs will participate in the fundraising round, but there are reports of competition among potential investors. According to news sources, Starkware is currently screening potential investors. The source also noted that the development was a major one for the blockchain company that has only 70 employees. It's surreal. It just looks like another Israeli high-tech office here, but we're seen in the crypto world as the guys who are bringing about a huge change. Well, according to tradition, at the end of the video, are modest analytical forecasts about this cryptocurrency. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in IOTX or whether IOTX will survive in the next few years are unknown. IOTX is currently worth $0.074 United States dollars with a hefty capitalization, making it rated 96 on the list of the most valuable coins. IOTX price prediction 2022. For a long-term IOTX price forecast, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. IOTX price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of IOTX will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the IOTX rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the IOTX rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. IOTX average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. IOTX could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 31 cents. IOTX price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, IOTX, IOTX prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be 47 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the IOTX maximum price could be up to 52 cents in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. IOTX, price prediction 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for IOTX will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 may end with an average rate of 66 cents and a minimum rate of 64 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 78 cents. IOTX rate prediction 2028. The value of IOTX will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. IOTX is expected to top out at $1.11 by the end of 2028, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of IOTX will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of IOTX will be between 92 cents and 96 cents, expected in 2028 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of IOTX ranges from 92 cents to $1.11 for 2028.